Hey, what's up, Pyro Nation? Long time no stash video. Just want to show you some leftovers and some new goodies I got. Right here, I got some 200 grammers. I got the Big Bang. I got 2 Candy Crushes. I got 1 What the Hell. 1 Smoke and Salute. This is new last year. I got 2 World Wonders, 25 shots. 2 Midnight Colors, 25 shots. 2 Splendid Flowers, 25 shots. Everyone knows those. 1 Minions Revenge left over. I got some new shells right here. I don't know if anyone's seen them. I got 1 case of these, Cock Awakens. Some heavy hitters. I got 3 kits of those, 24 shells. I got 1 World Class tube left over from last year. I got 2 of these 6-pack kits of Eagle's Pride shells left over. And I have 1 full kit of Eagle's Pride left over. Basically everything is left over from last year except the shells. Alright, Pyro Nation, peace out.